I got this from Amazon for about $170. Supposedly it's gonna fit to my AC. Hopefully this is the right dimension and screws the right spot, so I don't have to too much of the fabrication. So this is my existing shell, and this is my new one. It's made by icondirect.com. It was pretty easy removal, just Phillips will do it. It doesn't fit. It's too tall. Well, now I know what the issue is. Actually, the original one has a little skirt, which is riveted. I don't know how you say it. The rivet onto this gray skirt. So I think I have to take this one off and connect it. If I do that, it should fit the right height. So I think this is right one, but I wish this came with this, because this is not like I can just unscrew and put it back on. I really have to drill it off or something. I don't know why they have to make it this way. So we'll see. I can take it off. Ta-da! Piece of cake. So if you bought the actual Dometic brand, like $220 some, this actually come with it. I don't know, most of the people, this is not riveted. They can keep this on and just replacing this. I don't know, but mine's old and everything is riveted. I successfully removed the broken shell, whatever the shroud or whatever it's called. So I'm not going to use a rivet. I'm going to go ahead and use nuts and bolt and put it on that, and should be able to attach it. This is the right one, but this has to be on it, and I wish the description talk about it, but it didn't. I guess some of the newer ones don't need it, and just they can put this straight onto their cover. But yeah, mine definitely has to have this one. So it's gonna be like this, and seems like where the hole is, it does line up. I don't know why they use rivets in the original, but washer, nuts, and bolts work just fine. And I made sure to clean it before I put the shrouds on. I am manually trying to get this coil to stand up straight. So I'm just going one by one to get this to be stand up. So what I don't like about it is I'm pretty sure this was made with 3D printer or whatever, but those are not quite cleaned up well. So if you are anal about it, you might want to take it off on your own. And this does not have a hole here. There's an actual hole here. So I think this is something that everybody was talking about. We have to actually make a hole, drill it, so it's actually attached to this base to it. And while I'm doing this, who's working hard? He's working on the earth block machine. So this is gonna be on top of my old AC unit, and like I said, my particular AC has to have this extender, which doesn't come with the icon, this shroud. So don't forget to keep it. If you throw it away, you might have to make it, or you might have to just buy the actual Dometic kind. So other thing, this unique screw was used to put right here. So it's gonna be like this, and I was missing other ones, but I could not find the exact same kind. So what I did was I bought this spacer and the screw. So this will accommodate on this side because it was missing. So this is it. I got Dometic Therm Duo AC Shroud replaced using Icon brand. It was about $170 through the Amazon. I definitely recommend it. It does not come with the bottom, those gray portion of it. It's a kind of extender. If you have a newer AC unit, probably you don't need it. Probably a profile of the AC is a little bit smaller or lower. But older models, you definitely need it. So do not throw it away. So there are no reason to use rivets to connect those two pieces together. Washer, nuts and bolts is gonna do a perfect job. So no special tool to be used. So anybody can do this job. Good luck on your replacement. Have a great day.